Do you think you could read part of that out loud for me?
Which part?
Start with the first one. So what is it? How to use this book?
This book is meant to be used usefully, thoughtfully, and without restraint. Its first purpose is to serve you, the reader, to invite you to think more deeply about how you consume, how you care, and how you discard. These pages are not here to be observed at a distance. They are here to be engaged with.
Awesome. Should I read the next one?
Sure.
I like reading out loud a lot. Sometimes I read out loud to myself, like before I go to sleep. So this book is also not finished. It does not become complete until you add yourself to it. Your thoughts, your feelings, your questions, your opinions. Write in the pause and reflection spaces, underline and highlight passages that stay with you, color in the images as you see fit. Try using things with alternative primary uses, spices like turmeric, coffee grounds, eyeshadow, petals, leaves. Let the materials you choose carry their own stories to use, reuse, and transform. Will you read the last one for me?
Finally, feel free to let this book move beyond itself. Tear out a page and use it as wrapping paper. Start a fire. Share a section with a friend. Consider this book life cycle, whether you give it a long or short one, whether it stays intact or becomes something else entirely. Whatever you choose, do so with intention and care.
Thank you.
You're welcome.